Hologram Fam, and to all the YouTubians tuning to my channel today. I'm a bit sorry my hair is a little wonky, but I slept on my hair last night, so I have it up in this bun because today it doesn't really matter because I'm showing you how I apply my lace front wigs. Excuse my nails because I have two pointer fingers broken, but I'm going to the nail salon today to get them fixed. But I just have some really cute cherry blossoms on my nails. I can't wait to go get them done. Alright, so here is the beautiful, beautiful wig. It's shipped from the UK from a place called Estelle, or I'm so bad at pronouncing this because it's such an interesting name. I'm going to say Estelle's Wigs and More is the one who had these wigs. It's an Etsy store that I found, but I will place the link below. But this is a lace front. I really like this one. So a lace front will come with more lace on the front. It's supposed to like look natural on your skin, like when you wear it on your head, hence lace front. I really like this one because it has a wide part, so I can part it down the middle and I can part it. That is my cat scratching her scratching post. So you can part it down the middle, you can part it off to the sides, and then it has clips in it. And yeah, it's just really great. So I already trimmed the lace. If you do know how to trim the lace or tweeze the part, I would look up more videos to do that, or I can make a video in the future if I get another lace front wig. So the main important thing you have is your lace front wig. The lace front is going to look more natural than just a wig without a lace front. I think this one is about $80, but then shipping was really expensive from the UK, so it was about like $100. And this is going to be like my baby. I'm wearing it today. Another thing you can do if your wig is kind of shiny, like synthetic wigs, what I use is baby powder, which you can get anywhere, or dry shampoo to get rid of some of the shine in the wig to make it look more natural. These are two things I recommend. It's the Got To Be collection. This is like the Super Freeze Hold Spray, and make sure you get the black ultra glued invisible gel. It's clear, it's amazing. So you're gonna need these. You're probably gonna need a little pick comb, which they're fairly cheap. You can go to Walmart or Walgreens and get these things. And you're going to need some bobby pins. It's optional. I mean, sometimes I use bobby pins to pin off some of my hair, so when I'm in public and the wind's blowing, it doesn't hit me in the face. That's my cat using the litter box. And you're also going to need a toothbrush. So a toothbrush, and I prefer that you get a toothbrush from the dollar store or something just simple. We're going to use it for combing the baby hairs away to make them look more natural on the forehead. Also, to protect your hair, please don't wear wigs when you have wet hair. Your hair needs to, God, I love that cat. Your hair needs to breathe. So I used to have this wig cap, which I've used for like mermaid makeup stuff before, but I don't really like it because I feel like the elastic band is really tight on my forehead and I'm scared of breaking my baby hairs. So there's this place on Etsy, which I will link below, which has a 2-pack of nylon ones for like $2, and I will link that below along with where I got the wig. Then what I do is make sure I get my wig cap ready on how I'm going to place it on my head, and I take my gross hair down and I pull these parts back and get my roots done. And I just kind of do like a bun, like wrap it in a circle and hold it there. And I just put this on, and then because I have bangs, I just kind of stick them up here. So I also then like kind of go back and tuck all my hair back. I'm not too picky about my hair in the back of my head for the fact that like it's gonna be a long wig, and I don't put unless you're putting your hair up. So then I push it back and I make sure all those baby hairs are kind of tight on the side because you don't want them popping out. Look how weird I look bald. I kind of take the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freezing Spray, and I just kind of lightly, so I can just kind of push those little flyaway baby hairs back. Okay. Because we want our glue to work, I need to get more of this and more of this. I'm going to be using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, which is amazing for taking off makeup. It literally reduced half my acne. And then these basic little cotton pads that I use for removing my makeup. But I'm going to take this and I'm going to wipe away like an inch on my forehead and around my face, so the glue will have a clean space that can lay and actually glue the wig. And you can always reapply your makeup up to the wig's edge if you feel like it's it's not gonna match your skin tone after wiping off most of your makeup. So I just do it like down to like, I don't really glue my wigs all the way down. And then make sure that's dry and not oily, so I'm gonna blow dry it just dry. Now taking the glue, I'm going to take a little bit on my finger, and then I'm just gonna dab it. Don't go straight on your hairline where your baby hairs are, because you don't want to rip them out. And we're just gonna apply that a little bit further down. I'm just gonna let this, it's kind of cooling, so whatever you feel comfortable putting on. So then we're gonna take the blow dryer and we're gonna blow dry this until it feels tacky. You don't want it to feel damp because you don't want your wig to slide around. And I feel like this makes it feel more secure on my head. And when I wear wigs that aren't lace front or aren't like lightly glued down, then I feel like they pull back on the clips, and I'm always worried about my baby hairs right here. Even though I have bangs, I just want to protect my baby hairs. Okay, I actually forgot. I was excited to make this video, so I kind of forgot. Usually, before I put the glue on, I kind of put my wig on and push it a little back. So I'm going to take the back, and there's a long tooth clip in the back that just slides into my hair, and I kind of just pull this wig forwards. Make sure that clip is slid under my my wig cap, secured in the back. Okay, so I look really crazy. So now we're gonna take this. We're gonna lift it forwards onto the glue. Kinda, you can use your nails or you can use the end of the long comb and kind of push that down. Make sure your hairs are out, that's not in the glue. And kind of make sure it's centered with your nose bridge. And I just kind of push down. So with lace fronts, I mean, you don't have to glue it all the way down. I just mostly glue up here, so the wig doesn't slide. Ooh, I should probably put the clips. There's clips on the side that you can slide in under the lace front. Not the lace front. See how nervous I am? There's clips on the side that you can, I usually slide under my wig cap lightly. So there, that looks pretty snug. I'm just gonna use my little mirror on my brush. Make sure. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So it's already looking pretty natural. I've tricked a lot of strangers in public already. So now that we got this, I usually kind of take some parts, put them back. So we're gonna find the baby hairs on my head, and we're going to either, I kind of do a little bit of the glued, you can use like coconut oil or other stuff, but I think this glues them down to my head better. And then a little bit of the hairspray to kind of get them down. So this is where you're gonna get the toothbrush and you're going to kind of comb the baby hairs out. I will do that in a second, it's just hard to explain. Now to get the baby hairs, usually I take a little like eyebrow razor and I just kind of like lightly shave a little bit off about this length, a little longer. So you can't really see my little flyaways, but I will be gluing them down in a second too. So I usually take a little gel. And I kind of apply it on some of the hairs, and then I kind of quickly start brushing them. Until they're kind of like straight or wavy. It just gives a more natural kind of look. So I'll show you in a second. I just do like an easy, teeny bit amount of baby hairs. I don't do like a lot of waves. I just wanted to look more natural with the part like little hairs that were kind of glued down. So now that you have that done, we're going to take a foundation powder. I don't use liquid because I think it looks messy and dirty on the wigs and muddy. So we're going to get a powder foundation. And I use the M.A.C Fix Plus. I'll show you that in a second. And I'm just going to take a skinny brush, like an angled like wing eyeliner brush, and just like dab the middle, kind of halfway back, and then kind of open it up more right here onto the forehead. What I personally use is right here, the M.A.C Fix Plus. I think it's about maybe 30 bucks. So personally I wear the NC20, which also says the AA7 Studio Fix. And I need to get more soon because I'm almost out of it. And we're gonna take this, dab it, and then we're just gonna like go in and fill that in until you feel like it's pretty close to our head. A lot of people, like, if you look close, you can still tell it's a wig, but a lot of people from far away, people aren't going to be looking at, like, here's, I don't know. Like I said, it's a wig. You can see the lace, but not as much. I bet you can't even really see it on here. So again, we're just going to keep applying. And it looks really great in photos, so I'm a big fan of it. See? Already looking more natural. I'll also probably go in and put more on my forehead since we did wipe off some of the makeup. So, yeah. Now you can leave the wig like this, or you can take a piece of hair. I usually put it back here, and then I will use a bobby pin and kind of stick the bobby pin onto like the non-glued part of my wig, like the liner. So then when my hair goes back down, it will look like that. So that's another cute one. Or you can leave it like this and have it kind of hang in your face. Or you can like do different hairstyles. You can do ponytails, all of that. So maybe a different video. So you can do different looks. I just like the straight blue wig. I think it looks sassy and fun, and to change it up and to give like my natural hair a break. Wigs are not meant for you to stop washing your hair. You do need to wash your hair. So please still wash your hair, but do not put a wig on when your hair is wet underneath. Not good for your hair. So this is my simple video on how I personally apply my wigs and what kind of holds them on for me. Like I said, some steps are optional. It's just up to you. If you don't want to put any glue on your forehead, just slide that wig on. Slide that wig on, baby, and go on out. Party. Glad you guys watched my video. I really miss you guys, and I can't wait to make another fun, interesting video. I woke up early today, yay! So I had time to like do my face and like go out in public. So if you guys are new to my channel and you are not a Hologram Fam member, hit like and subscribe. Join the Hologram family. Let's have some fun. And I will see you guys very soon. Love you. Miss you.